Assalamualaikum. My name is Izda. I am an English teacher of Al Raheem School. Today we shall learn the lesson number 11 of class 3, taking care of plants. Green Club needs a few members and Hamna is a potential candidate for it. Hamna is an 8 years old girl. Her grandfather likes gardening. She spends most of her time with him. Hamna learns things from her grandfather about plants and flowers. In the election of Green Club, Hamna gets selected being a member of Green Club. Her duties are to focus on the plantation and spread awareness about it. It's her efforts that the garden of the school looks beautiful and organized at Hamna's request. Her school arranges a trip to a botanical garden. She wants all the students to visit the garden. She also wants to interview the in charge of the garden and learn new things about plantation. All the students are excited for this trip. Hamna meets Mr. Rafiq there, the in charge of the garden. Hamna, Assalamu alaikum. Mr. Rafiq, I am Hamna, the member of Green Club. Mr. Rafiq, Walaikum Assalam. Hamna, it's good to see you here. Hamna, thank you. Mr. Rafiq, welcome Hamna. Hamna, the purpose of this trip is to see this beautiful garden and learn few techniques from you about plantation. Mr. Rafiq, sure Hamna, it would be my pleasure. Hamna, may I ask a few questions? Mr. Rafiq, of course Hamna. Hamna, can you tell me what plants should we grow outside? Mr. Rafiq, outdoor plants or trees should be woody and shady. Shady trees and plants have more cooling effects. Hamna, what type of plants should we grow in our houses? Mr. Rafiq, we should grow ornamental plants in our houses. I would suggest kitchen gardening too. Hamna, yes Mr. Rafiq, I have a kitchen garden in my house. Mr. Rafiq, kitchen gardening is a very beneficial thing. We can get fresh vegetables and fruits from it. Hamna, how can we protect plants? Mr. Rafiq, there are a few important points you need to know. Water plants thoroughly. Cover plants with a raw cover to provide shade. Water your plants in the early morning so the water does not evaporate. Build a chicken wire wood fence to keep small animals out. Place a garlic clove in the soil of potted house plants to repel bugs. Make floral beds for flowers and small plants. Hamna, thank you Mr. Rafiq. I will keep these points in my mind. Plants are our necessity. It is the source of oxygen and we can use them for many things. All natural resources are a blessing for us. We should appreciate and take care of them. Okay students, Allah Hafiz, take care, like, share and subscribe.